100 million views. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am humbled by your support, and I've told you guys this time and time again. We just crossed 100 million views here on YouTube, and yeah, the video has been a few days coming. I just had to put it together. A lot of stuff going on in the background and all that stuff like that, so I do apologize for any sort of noise that you're hearing. But I just wanted to take a moment to pause and say thank you for all of your kind support over the years. We've gone and we've done 100 million views. Nothing easy. Remember, such a tiny niche, Caribbean food. 100 million views all over the world. Now, the past 3 years, I have to admit, I have struggled the past 3 years. COVID came and things just changed. The landscape changed. To this day, I struggle. I struggle to make videos. I love doing what I do, but I'm not having fun anymore. So as far as what's next, I honestly don't know. I've considered closing things down, shutting things down, and going in a different direction. I still don't know what I'm going to do. But for the time being, you're going to still keep seeing videos. And one of the reasons for that is the space has just become crowded with a lot of rubbish content, and everybody with the camera is doing something. And no hate, do all the thing, but kind of clean up the game, man. Let me clean it up. Plus, YouTube, yo man, the views are down, everything else is down. There's no love. And one of the things is my main concerns, and I pointed it out to YouTube a few times, is people are not getting notifications of my videos. I have close to 850,000 subscribers, and maybe 1% of those people ever get my videos. No, I ain't trying to gripe and ting. This is a positive video. So again, I'm going to stop that, and I'm just going to say thank you again. 100 million views. Yo, love and thanks, man. Irie.